Hi students, in this video we will be discussing module 3, namely theory of estimation of the paper quantitative methods for economic analysis 2 of second semester MA Economics, Calcutta University 2019 admissions. So our class is based on notes in Google Classroom. We have separate class for module 3. This is our module 3. You can join this class using this code DSTRUZJ. So using this you can join this class. So our first note is about statistical inference. What is statistical inference? So in this note we just define statistical inference and different types of statistical inference. Statistical inference is the process of analyzing the result and drawing conclusions about populations from data. So using data and using statistical techniques, we are coming to conclusions or drawing some conclusions about populations. It is called inference statistics. There are two types of, it is also called inference statistics. There are two types of inference statistics methods. First one is estimation method. That is our module 3, and second one is testing of hypothesis, that we will be studying in the fourth module. So simply statistical inference is the process of analyzing and drawing conclusions about population using sample or data. Again, the parameter estimation can be divided into point estimation and interval estimation. So basics of point estimation and interval estimation also studying in this module. Now go to the second notes. Second note is about population. So we are all familiar with the term population. So what is the definition of population? In any statistical investigation, we are interested in studying various characteristics of individuals or items of a particular group. And this group of individuals under study is known as population. So this is the simple definition of population. The collection of all the individuals under study is called simply the population. Any population can be considered as the set of admissible values of a random variable. So we are all familiar with random variable. So now we are defining the population as the collection of all the admissible values of a random variable. So corresponding to a population we have a random variable, and the distribution of this random variable or probability distribution of this random variable is called distribution of that population. For example, if we want to study the expenditure habit of the families in a city, then the population will consist of the whole household in that city. So we are studying the expenditure habit of a family. So a single family is a single unit, and the collection of all the households in that city is our population.
Now
finite population and infinite population. A population containing a finite number of objects or individuals or items is known as simply finite population. For example, the students in a college, the population of a city, etc. In other words, a population having an infinite number of objects. Sometimes this infinite means the infinite depends on the situation. So with the number of objects so large, this is depends on the situation. Sometimes 100 may be a large value, sometimes 1000 may be a large. So these are changing according to the situation. So with the number of objects so large as to appear practically infinity is termed as infinite population. Population of temperatures at various points of atmosphere. Temperature is actually continuous. So at any point in time there is a separate temperature. This is an infinite population. The population of stars in the sky, etc. are the examples of infinite population. So these are the examples of population, infinite populations. So you remember the definition of population, and there are two types of population based on the size. First one is finite population, second is infinite population. In statistics, this size of the population depends on the practicality of counting or collecting data. Now we will discuss sample. What is sample? We are all familiar with the sample. So a finite subset of population. So we already defined population, and a finite subset of population selected from it with the objective of investigating its properties is called a sample. To study the population, we collect sample. So a sample is a subset of population selected from it to investigate or study this population. And a sample is a representative part of the population. So a sample is collecting for studying the population, so it should be a representative part of the population. An example to sample: when we want to study the life of electric bulbs produced by a company, so in this case population is the life of all the electric bulbs produced by the company, and to study the life we select some bulbs and study their length of life. So these selected bulbs represent the sample. And large sample are sample size. When sample size is more than 30, so in statistics we categorize the samples based on size as large and small. If the size is greater than or equal to 30, it is called large sample. Otherwise it is termed as small sample. Now in this note we also discuss two terms. First one is parameter and second one is statistic. Statistic and parameters. What is parameter? Any measure calculated on the basis of population values is called parameter. So parameter is a function computed using the population values. For example, population mean. What is mean by population mean? By population mean we mean the mean of all the values taken from the population. So we calculate mean or computing mean using all the values of population. Then it is a parameter. Another example is population variance. We calculate the variance using or taking all the values in the population. Population standard is actually root of population variance, population correlation coefficient, etc. All the parameters. So by parameter we mean a function, for example mean, calculated on the basis of population values is called parameter. And what is statistic? Statistics is the sample version of parameter. The definition is any measure calculated on the basis of sample values. So parameter is basis of population values, whereas statistic is based on sample values. Any measure calculated on the basis of sample values. So suppose we are collecting a sample from a population and calculating mean, then it is a statistic. So sample mean is a statistic, sample variance is a statistic, sample standard deviation, etc. are different statistic. So these are the definitions of parameter and statistic. So in this note we discussed sample, what is sample, and example, then large sample and small samples, then functions of sample values and parameter values. Function of sample values is called statistic, function of population values is called parameter, and examples of statistic and parameters. So these are the different definitions, and these are the foundations of study of sampling distribution. So we discussed the population, sample, statistical inference, statistic, parameter, etc. And in the next video we will be discussing our notes, other notes, sample distribution, etc. Thank you.